Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. Today we give you 3 super easy ways to order food at the restaurant, at American restaurants. This is real life English and it is going to be super useful for you. Let's go. Imagine a waiter comes to your table and says, "Hello, are you ready to order?" Stress. And I know you are thinking, "Oh no, my English is so bad." So you say pizza, water. It's not the best way to order food. Of course, you will get what you want, a pizza and a water. But today you will see different ways to order food in English. Ordering food is stressful, but it's also a very useful skill. Let's go. Here is the first way to order food and drinks at a restaurant. I'll have. So, the restaurant staff comes to your table and says, "Hello, may I take your order?" And you want this: a cheeseburger with bacon, a Coke, or maybe you want a Pepsi. Okay, good. So, here's the way to do it. "Hello, I will have a cheeseburger with bacon and a Coke, please." That's it. It's pretty easy. You can also say this: "Hello, I'll have a cheeseburger with bacon and a Pepsi, please." I will and I'll have are the same thing. I will have, I'll have. It is exactly the same. It is just a contraction. Okay? Now you try it. "Hello, may I take your order?" Good job. The waiter says, "Hello, are you ready to order?" And you want this: a strawberry cheesecake and a coffee. Now, once again, you have the 2 options, okay? And you have this: strawberry cheesecake, a coffee. "Hello, I will have a strawberry cheesecake and a coffee, please." Okay? Now it's your turn. "Hello, are you ready to order?" Good. Now, one more try. The waitress comes to your table and says, "Hello, can I take your order?" And you want a pepperoni pizza and a bottle of water. Now it's your turn. No help. Let's go. You should have said, "Hello, I'll have a pepperoni pizza and a bottle of water, please." Is this what you said? If you said this, it's perfect. You did a good job. Now, I'll have a pepperoni pizza. What does "a" mean? "A" means one. So this is why you should never forget the "a." "A" is super important. You cannot say, "Hello, I'll have pepperoni pizza and bottle of water, please." This is a little bit of broken English. So don't forget the "a" in front of what you order. The second way to order food and drinks is "I'd like." The server comes to your table and says, "Hello, what can I get you today?" It's another way to say, "Can I take your order?" Same meaning. And you want a lasagna and a Sprite, or maybe you want a 7-Up. Good, different companies, similar product. Okay? "Hello, I would like a and a please." I would like, you can also, or you can say it like this: "Hello, I would like a lasagna and a Sprite, please." Perfect. But "I would like" can also be contracted, made shorter. "Hello, I'd like a lasagna and a 7-Up, please. I'd like is the same thing as I would like. Would becomes D. Okay? Now it's your turn. Hello, what can I get you today? Good. Next one. The restaurant staff says, hello, may I take your order? And you want this, a lobster and a bottle of champagne. Here we go. So you once again you have the two options, I would like and I'd like. Choose one and there you go. You're ready? Let's go. Hello, may I take your order? Good. Hello, I'd like a lobster and a bottle of champagne, please. Next one. The waiter says, hello, are you ready to order? And you want a steak, medium, so there are different temperatures. So medium, medium well, medium rare, okay? So you want a medium steak. And you want a glass of red wine. It's your turn. Let's go. Here is the answer. Hello, I'd like a steak, medium, and a glass of red wine, please. If you said this, you got it right. Now, let's move on to the third way to order food and drinks. It is, can I get? Can I get is a question, okay? Good, so let's go with this. Hello, can I take your order? And you want chicken wings, and you want a draft beer, okay? So you can say, hi, can I get chicken wings and a draft beer, please? Is this okay? Means what? Do you remember? Means one. So here we have a problem because we have chicken wings. There are many chicken wings. There is not only one chicken wing. So you cannot say in this case. So you have to say, hi, can I get chicken wings and a draft beer, please? So in this case, there is no because it is a plural form. Okay? One more time, let's try it. Hello, can I take your order? Hi, can I get chicken wings and a draft beer, please? Excellent. The server says, hello, what can I get you today? And you want Mexican nachos, and you also want a lemonade. Good. Here you have only one option. So let's do it. Hello, what can I get you today? Hello, can I get Mexican nachos and a lemonade, please? So you notice once again, nachos finishes with a S. So here there is no in front. Okay, good. Hello, may I take your order? You want a breakfast sandwich and an orange juice. Good. So one more time. Now it's your turn. Hello, may I take your order? You should say, hello, can I get a breakfast sandwich and an orange juice, please? So now here you notice an orange juice because it begins with an O. So that's why you need to put N here. Okay? Good job, guys. Now, what can I get you today? I'd like a thumbs up and a subscription, please. Don't forget to like us and don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.